Hi guys, Yolanda here, back with the birds and the butterflies. And we're doing, this is the second journal, or signature, not journal. Hang on, let's just separate them. Now I've cut 2 tags and I've stitched them. This is just bits and pieces of leftover paper. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a tuck spot. But you know, I've just realized I'm just wondering, didn't really want to cover that. No. Well, it's going to be covered, it's fine. So I am going to glue this down like so, right on the edge, and then this one of course will go on top, but I am only going to glue it like you can see. I left the threads, you know me, I might use it or I might just chop them off. We will see later, or maybe I'll leave them as is. And now here I'm only going to do a small portion and maybe just a little bit down there, because, and then make sure that's there. Oh crikey, you know what I haven't done? I'm running ahead of myself. I'm just lifting them up quickly because I need to make, I've already marked it with my awl to make holes for ribbons. I really am ahead of myself here. There we go. And then I'm going to use, then I'm going to stick it down. I will add the ribbon later because I don't want the bulk when I'm stitching the journal together. Okay, there we go. Let's put that about there. So the tags are now stuck on. I will add the, I suppose I could even add the reinforcements now. Just looking, here it is. This is the third one I'm buying now because I just find after a while they don't work nicely. So now I need something. I suppose I could even use, let's use this one. Yeah, why not? And cut 2 yeah, that's fine. But the ribbon I'll only add, oh, that one didn't come out nicely. See, where is it gone? Don't even know. It's disappeared, guys. It's gone. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I think I'll put these. Because if I put the ribbon now, it's just going to be so bulky when it comes to stitching it together, and it'll make it a bit difficult, you know. It's easier to stitch it when it's relatively flat. And then I've left this hole here because, so now what we have here, and once the ribbon is on, it'll look nice. We have a tuck spot there, and then we have a little pocket just here, and I will probably add, I think I do have some cut out. Look, here's one. I mean, they're just cute, or you can make little tags, and I think that'll be nice there, sky high. Yeah, I'm liking that. I think I want another ticket in there. I'm sure there's one somewhere, or I could cut this big one. Where is it? Alright, I'll look for it later. So that's looking quite spiffy. Now what I am going to do, which I wouldn't normally do, guys, because I normally put my lace and ribbons and stuff later once it's stitched together, because I want to see the bulk. And I say that, but they always turn out bulky anyway. So I'm just straightening it a bit, and I think a piece of lace just here will look very nice. Let's put that aside, and it's a little bit long, so I am going to use again my pinking, if I can find them, shears. Where are they? It's fine. I'm just going to cut now. There we go. Let's not faff, shall we? So I want to add this just here. And that goes just a little bit of lace. Is this hot enough? I hope so. Yeah, it is. So let's add that there. Yeah. And then I do like the sky high, just fairly simple here. Or should I add a, oh yes, and the butterfly. It'll be enough. It'll be enough, so you can add a sentiment. And then later on we will figure out something to put behind. I mean, how easy is this to do? And then we have this gorgeous butterfly, which I think will just go fabulous there. Plus the ribbons will give it that extra vavavoom. And you see, I'm only gluing in the middle, really. Although it will be flattened anyway. Look at that. Very quick, very easy to make, and gorgeous to look at. And then, like I say, we will find something to put behind there. So there is another page for you. So we have this gorgeousness, 3 pages there. Now I do want to do something here. This one actually goes well. I think I'm just going to put a corner pocket up here, because again, I don't want to cover that. So I have this piece of paper lying around doing nothing, and all I'm going to do is cut it at a diagonal like so. Hopefully it won't be too big. Look at that. I think that looks fine. That looks fine, and that will go there. But I don't want, that's writing paper, writing page, so I don't want to fill it in. I am very quickly just going to stitch it. Oh, I've run out of bobbin. Okay, I'm not going to stitch it. Let's just glue it straight in. So just a simple corner pocket, which we will zhuzh it up later. Just put this down. I like to make sure everything's nicely glued down, and this one I will definitely use somewhere else. Hey, what if I do this? No. Could do that, guys. Could do that. And then we have, like, let's have a look. A thin pocket there, and that's quite nice. I'm going to do it. Why not? Never done that before. So let's go. There's just a bit of a tear there, and I'm just going to pop it in. Maybe I should make it stand out. Yeah, I think I'm going to. So this will go. I love double pockets. I think it makes any journal look very interesting. So now I'm going to be careful how I slide it in, because I don't want glue everywhere. So let's just open this up as much as I can and slide it in and even it out. Yeah, why not? And then just thinking. But I'll probably put the lace later, I think, because then we can put a thing of lace. Oh, it's so pretty, man. It's just one there, No, if I put it on here, it'll probably make it difficult, to slide something in there if I put it right up here. And I'm just trying to think which lace I want there. Look at this one. It's so beautiful and vintagey. Just gorgeous. Maybe just... Oh, it's so nice. That's the wrong side. Will that make it difficult to put something in? Is that piece of paper lace going to get in the way there? No, it won't. So if I do like so, scissors right here. But then I do need to, which I will do later. Let's do that. Cut it at an angle, And then here, just at an angle there. Yeah. And let's go with the glue right to the edge. Do it bit by bit. There we go. Very delicate. I don't think I'm going to add here, or should I? I don't know if I should add it there or not. I'm going to, because that corner is already nicely cut. Let's stick it down. I hope this works, guys. I haven't done a pocket like this before. Put the glue right to the edge, leaving a little gap between. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to cut it according to the angle. Very delicate, this. Not so easy to cut it. That's fine. There we go. And then look at this beautiful. These are very nice. Let me quickly cut these out. Where's my scissors? Yuck, I'll use the small one. I'm just liking, or should I put that one there? I don't know. Or you could just put them both like that. I like that. Yes, I like that. Let's just stick this right here. How easy was that? Again. So pretty, look. Another page done. And imagine that. That is down. Yeah, I just need something. Yeah, I've got it a bit. So you might have to use your bone folder just to make, yeah, you see, I had stuck it down a bit too much there, which is fine. And then there. Very pretty. So this one can go, let's say, wait, let's try this one. Yes, very nice. So that can go in there, and you know, we will make again something to go there. So we have a double pocket with just some butterflies, and I think that's enough. Also, you see on Which one was it now? There. On here, I have this piece left over from a previous journal. I think it might be too much now. Or maybe I should have put it. That also looks fabulous. I might just take that off and stick that there. We will see. I don't want to do that quite yet. So we have a few more pages done in this. I really think it's so simple, but I think it looks great. I hope you can get a clear picture of that. And then of course this page, and I will put some light blue ribbon like this. Not pink, I think I'll put blue. I'll just do the one, and we can see what it looks like. Let's just cut it. I said I wasn't going to do this because it bulks it out for when, but it's done. It's done. See, just very simple, very, very simple. And then on here, in fact, you know, I know what I'm going to do here now. I'll tell you in a moment. Let me just get these in. Is my lighter handy? Normally is. These are going a bit too... let's take that one off, and that one. Yep. And let's just and we can do these ones. You probably do this before you put the ribbon on. Ow, 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 ow. So I will probably, this is what I'm going to do. I will make a nice, just to fit here, and then I will just add that. Look how fabulous that'll look. In fact, this is not, but it's not wide enough. It's too narrow, so no, I'm not going to use that. And I'm just thinking, that actually looks nice. This is just paper from my stash, guys. Maybe even here. How about that? We can, but I want to sew it. I'm going to sew it. I think it looks nice because it kind of matches that page. And I'll probably put a pocket here, a smaller one this time, and again stuff inside. So I don't know where I'm going to put this. It's just, it goes everywhere. This is also a Janie B Journals kit, by the way. No, definitely not there. Not there. It's really turning out quite nice. I could even, oh, look at that. This is where it's going once I've stitched it. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it at that for now, and I will be back with more. So take care and have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe and like, please. Ciao now. Bye bye.